Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Smart Living. I hope you all are doing well. Well, our today's video is about Amazon. What is Amazon? Well, dear viewers, Amazon is a multinational technology and e-commerce company based in the United States. It was founded by Jeff Bezos in 1994 as an online bookstore, but has since expanded into a wide range of businesses, including e-commerce, cloud computing, digital streaming, artificial intelligence, and more. Amazon is known for its online marketplace where customers can purchase a vast array of products, as well as for services like Amazon Web Services AWS, Amazon Prime, and Amazon Echo devices. Amazon Prime and Amazon Echo devices. It is one of the largest and most influential technology companies in the world. How Amazon works. Amazon operates through a complex ecosystem of services and platforms. Here's an overview of how Amazon works. One online marketplace. Amazon's core business is its online marketplace. It connects sellers with buyers, allowing them to buy and sell a wide range of products. Sellers can list their products on the platform, and customers can browse and make purchases. To fulfillment centers, Amazon has a vast network of fulfillment centers, warehouses where products are stored, picked, packed, and shipped. When a customer places an order, Amazon selects the closest fulfillment center to deliver the product efficiently. 3. Amazon Prime. Amazon offers a subscription service called Amazon Prime, which provides members with benefits like free two-day shipping, access to streaming content, and more. It encourages customer loyalty. For Amazon Web Services Uz is Amazon's cloud computing platform. It offers a wide range of cloud services to businesses, from hosting websites to data storage and processing. Uz is a major source of revenue for Amazon. 5. Amazon devices. Amazon designs and manufactures a range of hardware products, including Kindle e-readers, Echo smart speakers, and Fire tablets. These devices often integrate with Amazon services. 6. Digital content. Amazon sells digital content, such as ebooks, music, movies, and TV shows through platforms like Kindle, Amazon Music, and Amazon Prime Video. 7. Data and AI. Amazon collects vast amounts of data from its users, which it uses to personalize recommendations and improve its services. It also employs AI and machine learning for various purposes, such as improving logistics and enhancing customer experiences. 8. Third-party sellers. In addition to selling its own products, Amazon allows third-party sellers to use its platform. These sellers can fulfill orders themselves or use Amazon's fulfillment services. 9. Advertising. Amazon offers advertising services for sellers looking to promote their products within its ecosystem. It also leverages customer data to target ads effectively. 10. Logistics. Amazon invests heavily in logistics and transportation to ensure fast and efficient delivery. This includes Amazon delivery trucks, drones in some areas, and partnerships with delivery services. 11. International expansion. Amazon has expanded to many countries, adapting its services to local markets. This often involves partnerships or acquisitions of local e-commerce companies. 12. Customer data. Amazon collects and analyzes customer data to understand shopping behaviors and preferences, which it uses to improve its offerings and provide personalized recommendations. Overall, Amazon's success is driven by its customer-centric approach, technological innovation, and its ability to adapt and expand into various industries. It has a significant impact on the way people shop, consume digital content, and utilize cloud services. How to start working in Amazon online. To start working for Amazon online, you can explore various job opportunities with the company. Here are the general steps to consider. 1. Visit Amazon Jobs website. Start by visiting Amazon's official Jobs website. You can find this by searching Amazon Jobs in your preferred search engine. To search for job openings, use the search filters on Amazon's job portal to narrow down your search by location, job category, and other preferences. Amazon offers a wide range of roles, so you can find positions in areas like technology, customer service, operations, and more. 3. Create an account. You'll likely need to create an account on the Amazon Jobs portal to apply for positions. Follow the instructions to set up your profile. For resume and application, prepare your resume and cover letter. If required, tailored to the specific position you're applying for, fill out the online application form, providing accurate and up-to-date information. 5. Submit application. Once you've completed the application, review it for accuracy and then submit it through the portal. Interview process. If your application is shortlisted, you may be contacted for interviews. Amazon conducts interviews via phone, video, or in person, depending on the role and location. 7. Assessment tests. Some positions may require you to complete online assessments or tests to evaluate your skills and suitability for the role. 8. Background check. If you progress through the interview stage, Amazon typically conducts a background check as part of the hiring process. 9. Job offer. If you successfully pass the interview and background check, Amazon will extend a job offer. Review the offer, negotiate terms if necessary, and formally accept it. 10. Onboarding. After accepting the job offer, you'll go through an onboarding process, which includes paperwork, training, and setting up necessary accounts or systems. It's important to note that the specific steps and requirements may vary depending on the job role, location, and Amazon's current hiring practices. Make sure to thoroughly read the job listings and follow the application instructions provided for each position. Remember to research the role you're applying for and Amazon as a company to tailor your application and interviews accordingly. Amazon is a highly competitive employer, so being well prepared and showcasing your relevant skills and experience is essential. Good luck with your job search. Well, dear viewers, that was all for today. I hope you like this information about Amazon. If you like my content, then PLZ do subscribe for more, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members. Thank you so much for watching. May we'll see you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.